You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is y greater than 0.2. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 2 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by 4. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is y greater than 0.2.